Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add playlist on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and then we're going to go to our TikTok profile. So we can click on profile button right here, and then you're gonna click on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen, and then click on creator tools right here. Okay, and here you can add your playlist. Tap on the playlist option, then you're gonna click on start creating, and you can name your playlist. For example, I'm going to name it like this, and after you're done create a playlist name, you can click on next to continue to the next step. Okay, then select a video you would like to add to your playlist, and I'm gonna go with this video and also this one, and just click on done. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and now the playlist has been created, and I'm just going to go back to my profile. Okay, and this is my playlist. Alright guys, and that's how we can add playlist on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.